Both hands on the left knee. Bend the front knee. Drop. Just. Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay. And bend the front knee. Sink down. Take the arms up. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. You can lie down for a second. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hug the knees in. Rock yourself side to side. Oh, maybe you can lift yourself up into an easy shoulder stand. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Oh, yeah. Oh, just up easy. And slowly lower yourself down. Bend the knees. It's time to start our day. You come up in an easy seated posture. Would you like a custom routine I would make and film for you? I'm available for privates on the internet. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Bring your palms together. Life is full of dynamic relationships. There is not good and bad, medicine and poison. And these are false separations so that we don't have to think so hard. The real separation is the belief that you are somehow separate from the web of life. Feel the breath on the inside of your nostrils. Feel the intimacy you have with the web of life. Become a global villager, an interbeing, a cosmic dancer, an ecstatic lover of life. Namaste.